Excuse me, can you help me read this for a second? I just got back from the eye doctor and
Yeah, what do you need to see?
I'm trying to read the purple.
12 grams of carbs. Why are you counting your carbs? Are you counting your carbs? 12.
Excuse me?
Sure.
I just got back from the eye doctor.
I can't see it either, honey. My eyes. Yeah. You having a seizure? You okay? Oh, okay.
Can you help me read this? I just got back from the eye doctor.
Yeah.
And my eyes are dilated right now.
What do you need?
I'm trying to read the total. The total fat.
God bless you. The total fat.
Yeah.
Alright.
I would, know that it's here, right? Yeah. Yeah.
What is the main thing that you find the most in?
What you doing? You okay? You okay? It's it!
What?
Looking at you or something. Yeah, you want this. Yeah, anything with wheat.
Okay.